Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download Spicychat AI on your PC and mobile. Let's start with the mobile. First of all, open your device's App Store. If you're using Android, it will be Google Play Store. If it's an iOS device, it will be App Store. Search for Spicychat AI using the search bar. Once you've seen it, tap the Get or Install button to download and install the app on your device. Now on PC, Spicychat AI does not have a dedicated desktop app, unfortunately, so you cannot download and install it. You can only use the web browser. By opening your preferred web browser, go to Spicychat AI website spicychat.ai and interact with the AI and use its features directly in your browser. The web browser experience might not be identical to the mobile app in terms of features or interface, and then some features might be optimized for mobile devices only. I hope this helps you. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, like, don't forget to share it for more. Thanks for watching.